Hi everybody, this is Keshav from Make You Billionaire Trade Secrets. Today we are going to discuss about RSI divergence. The name is very big, right? RSI divergence. It is so simple. RSI means relative strength index of a stock or a commodity or a forex or any currency. There are a lot of traps in that RSI. Okay, many times did you face any kind of a situation like this? Like you bought the stocks, immediately price is going down, or you sold the stocks, immediately it is going up. Many retail traders are facing these type of situations in the market, and panically they are selling the stocks with a loss. We are going to unlock the secret of that. Before we continue the session, if you are watching first time into YouTube, please support me by sharing the YouTube channel and join my Telegram where I'm sharing a lot of trading strategies and a lot of value investing details also for you to become a billionaire. Okay, so let us don't waste the time, go into the session. So we are going to discuss about, as I told, RSI divergence strategy. What is why we are learning this RSI divergence strategy? Or before we go into the, let us go into some fundamentals. RSI means relative strength index of a stock. We usually add it. Every broker there is a chart will be there. I will show you how to add RSI into the chart. RSI 14 normally by default every chart is coming. Whenever the value of RSI 14 goes above 80, people think it is an overbought, so that people will not be entering into buy. And whenever RSI value below 20, people think it is oversold so that they can buy it. But there are traps. We are not going to discuss about RSI 20 and RSI 80 buy or sell. We are going to find a special secret for you to identify, is there any real momentum in that stock to buy or sell or not, or are we going into a trap? Many times I am telling you, if you know this RSI divergence secret, you will not be there into the trap, and you will be into the 5% of successful traders in the entire community. Okay, I welcome you, and I am going to give you this special secret to you to understand behind the RSI traps. So this is a $1,000,000 question to you. I first ask you, you brought the stocks and immediately went down, you sold the stocks immediately went up. We are going to unlock it for you. Before that, I am giving a small example to you, an iceberg, how we are going to discuss. Suppose you think actually there is a stock chart is going up, the price is going up with the various candle, we have a green, red, everything is coming up. And if you look into the RSI, it is not actually going up. I want to tell you one more thing to you. As per the RSI rule or theory, whenever the price goes up and up, this RSI value also have to go up. That is the rule, and that is as per the process. The RSI have to go up. It is a must requirement. If the RSI is not moving up and up as per the prices, definitely some problem is there in that stock or a commodity. Okay, so for the bullish purposes, if the stock is moving up and up, you just notice the RSI value also going up and up. If it is not moving up, then take a pause and see it. Same in the case of bearishness. Whenever the price is coming below and below and below and below, the RSI value also have to come below and below and below. If the price is coming below and below and RSI is not going below and below, that is a trap for the sellers. Okay, we will look into more into the live examples for that. I just open a escorts one chart here. I am going to add an indicator called RSI. By default value, I am just add 14 days, 80 and 20 and print it. Just by default value is taken. Okay. So our first rule number one, identify a stock or a commodity or any forex or any currency of any time frame. If you are 5-minute indicator trader or a 1-day trader or a 1-hour trader, whatever time frame you're taking, you just take it that. For the time being, for example, I just took it for 5 minutes. Okay. First thing. Second thing you have to do is that whenever that particular stock or commodity hitting like above 80, your work starts. Okay. You just start a line am just drawing one line for the RSI. This is my 80, it hit here, I drawn a line. So this is the place I somewhere like 5th May 5:20 or evening 3:20, it hit like 20. So immediately I seen previous high. Where is it? This is a third rule number 3. Where is my previous high? This is a previous high, right? So as per the rule, the RSI have to go up, right? I am just drawing one example so that you can understand very clearly. So from here to here it went. Same way from here to here it have to go. Did it went? It didn't went. You got it? It didn't went it, which means that there is somebody short sellers are sitting here. Next day morning, if you see here, it opened like open equal to high, or the bear enters and see how many points they got it. As a retail trader, what happens is when the price goes and up, actually immediately they will start buying it, but it went down. I'll give you one more example so that you can understand more clearly. See here, this is a RSI 80 value crossed, okay, here, somewhere here, okay. From here to here price increase this much, right, for example, but did they increase above here? Oops. See, I just draw a line here. Is it increase? Yes, it is going up like this. Here also have to go up, right? It is not at all increasing. So what should I do? Immediately draw a trend line of supporting all the lows. So whenever it got broken, you can enter into a sell setup so that a very good profit is there. Okay, this is a bearish divergence. Price increasing, I repeat, the rule is finally the conclusion, the price is going up and up actually, but the RSI momentum is not going up and up. So that means it is a bearish divergence. Price will eventually come down. Okay, it will take time. And let us take another example here of any, let me see. Yep, there is another one. See here, this is an high, right? This is an high. Stock is going from here to here. Stock is going up and up, right? But you see here, is it the RSI value also increasing? RSI is not at all increasing. You can watch it, right? It is going up and up and up and up, but never comes down, right? And you see next day the price is coming down. For example, if you see next day, if you sell it 803 to we can say like 799 or 787, or if you see next day, if you see close to 20-25 points, you got it. 25 points in escorts is a very big point. That means I want to say a very important rule is that there is no momentum, so there is no need to buy it. Okay, let us take, this is a bearish divergence, let us take a bullish divergence. Okay, I just opened here. Okay, just keep it here. Okay, I just take a 15 minutes for the Bajaj Finance here. Just take a note on here. So our first rule is like it hit like a below 20 or oversold condition. Now I am going to start analyzing this particular stock. Okay, so immediately after hitting this, the price is again coming down next day. See here, but you see the RSI value, it is never coming down. As per the rule, it have to come down. Price is coming down, so this RSI also coming down, right? But it is not at all coming down. It is still there. So simply a trend line is drawn here, and I got close to like 120 points or 130 points. I got it here. I can give you another example also here. See here, my first rule hit here like a RSI 20 hit here. Price is coming down and down and down. I am waiting for a green candle or big candle or any kind of a trend line breakage. I just simply drawn here trend line here. Okay, so here I got a big candle on 5-6. I enter, I got a very good. If I hold it, this is my stop loss, I will keep it here, and I got a very good candle. There is no specific target like I will get 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, nothing like that. Like I want to be specific on the target. Definitely, this RSI divergence will help us to understand whether you are entering into a right way or whether you are entering into a trap. That is our first and foremost thing. So this is not like how much profit I make or how much loss I make. It is not like that. Definitely you will get a profit in this. Definitely you will get a profit. But our main aim is don't enter into a trap. When everybody is selling, this is like a purely selling, right? When everybody is selling, to you, you also sell it. Bajaj Finance means you just start seeing this particular RSI. This is not a sell setup. This is a buy setup. So you understand, okay, this is not a setup at any time. At any time, this will shoot up. Okay, so we are understanding the trap in that. I will tell you one more example of Axis Bank. Axis Bank, you can see it here. I just traded this one. I got a very good profit. My roll number 1 hit here is very low. I will start watching when is my next low is going to hit. So I patiently waited here. I got another 120 here. So when I look into this RSI value, that is not at all going down. I slowly started accumulating this one and I got a very good return here. See? So hope you understand the entire process. What I want to tell you, I think you got very clearly. Okay, this is not like a 1:2 or 1:3 or kind of a thing, a stop loss hitting and all. This is an information to you saying actually whether actually the stock is going down or actually the stock is going up. This video is all about that. If you understand this one, next time before trading, if anybody is telling actually buy or sell or anything, start looking into this one. You will clearly understand this one. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this video.